This club has been brilliant. Obviously it's where I started when I was 8 years old, and Richard and Jen here, they run an awesome club. They've been so supportive over the years, and just to come back and support the club and see all the young talent coming through is great. So I think the future looks bright for Welsh Judo.
It's been a long journey for her, and it's been a long history of the club. She's inspiring people, and to see her get to where she's worked hard for the last 4 years, or even from the age of 7, she's always been determined, and she's had her ups and downs, but I'm a very proud and old coach that's very happy. But somebody that's just been selected on the road to Rio is actually talking to 5, 8-year-olds and giving the input back into the sport, and to me that's tremendous.
I've always dreamt of going to the Olympics, but I'd never really thought I would be able to do it in judo, and that wasn't really until London that I really felt like it was actually a possibility and it was achievable for me. It's been quite a challenging 4 years. I think after London, obviously just missing out was really disappointing, and I think that's really drove me on to really want to go this time and do the best I can. I think it's a lot more emotionally draining than I thought it would be. I always knew it would be physically difficult, but I didn't really expect the emotional and the psychological challenges that I'd have, particularly the last 2 years when it's really come down to the crunch of it. Obviously I would love to win it, that's my ultimate goal, but I'd be really happy with a medal as well. I think I'm capable of doing it. It's just putting the next few weeks of training to good use, and I'm sure I'll be in a great position by the time the Games comes.